So I wanted to take this moment to show off this really nice workspace we created for my daughter with her virtual school. Full disclosure, this desk was actually supposed to be my desk, but she needed a desk quicker than me, and my desk, or her desk, is on back order. So she's using this one for the time being. Depending on how things work out, that may be how it remains, because this is working out really well for her. So, first of all, the desk itself is really high quality. The materials are heavy, they are durable, they are quality. So, despite that, assembly wasn't terrible. I did it by myself. The only help I needed was my husband did help me carry the desk from the garage into the house. So as far as complexity, it really wasn't. The directions were very clear, and I'm going to show you how it works, because when you do assemble something, you do kind of have an understanding of the mechanics. So this is the button that you use to adjust the height, and you can see it goes very smoothly. My daughter loves this because they have wiggle time in her class where they have to get up and move around. And you can see, just want you to see how high it gets. So if you were using this as a pretty tall man or woman, you could stand pretty well with this. You might notice some of the wires. There are some accessories that come with this. They look like zip ties that you would use to connect the wires to the bottom of the desk. I did not bother with that at this point because we may be doing some swapping. I do want to show you how it works. This rod piece is the piece that controls the height, so you can see how it turns. So that's the engineering. It's pretty simple, but works really well. You can also see kind of how thick and durable the materials are. You see the feet. There's casters on the bottom. You see that keep the feet from damaging your floor, and the wood is very, very, I don't know, laminate. I'm not sure what it is, but it is not flimsy or thin. And notice how it also matches my really nice wood floors. So I planned on putting something else entirely in this corner, but under the circumstances, I think this actually looks really good. My daughter loves her little space. It's working out really well. So if any of you are having to do work from home, virtual, and you haven't considered this for a kid, you might want to, because she does love it. She loves it so much.
All right, hi everybody. This is my new standing desk. I just put it together yesterday. Took maybe an hour, hour and a half. Really well made. Surprising for under $300. What a well made piece of equipment this is. It's very heavy. It's got the motor, which is really durable. Drive rod. It's quiet. You know, you go to the switch and you can take it up or down. I'm really tall and it goes up as high as I need it. Really good motion. It's got a lot of room. The measurements are in the description. It's perfect for my needs. I'm really glad I found this, and I think for $300, you just can't beat it.